Hello, my name is Sar Khatri. My unique ID number is 1640527 and today I am here to show the demo video of design network topology of computer network module. As per the assignment requirement, to communicate between two offices at headquarter office and branch office, frame relay method of one connectivity was used in this design network topology. As you can see in the video that this frame relay connects both headquarter office and branch satellite office using DLCI number 101 and DLCI number 301. Now let's talk about the physical design topology. This is a physical topology. This is my headquarter office building A and building B floor planning. This is building A floor planning, whereas this is building B floor planning. Now I move to the satellite office building. This is satellite office building and this is satellite office floor planning. Now again I move to the logical part. Then now I'm going to show you the inside headquarter office cluster. This is my headquarter office design logical topology. The overall networks was developed designed under Cisco 3-layer hierarchy, that is core layer, distribution layer, and access layer. If you talk about the switching, then different switching configurations such as STP, spanning tree protocol, PBST plus spanning tree protocol was used in the distribution layer 1 and distribution layer 2, and you can see the ether channel configuration in between this MLS using LACP, and in the all access layer switches there occurs their BPTU guard and port fast was configured, and they all act as BTP client. Here this is my DMZ server farm where all the server resides, and this is my internal as well as external web server, and this VPN router act as provides IP to the external remote access VPN configuration. Similarly, this VoIP router is for connection between reception A and reception B IP phones. Different color blocks signify different departments here. Now similarly I move to the branch office branch satellite office cluster. This is my branch satellite office buildings logical topology, where all the things are similar to the headquarter office, but it contains limited number of staffs. Only 70 members and 4 managers are configured. Now in order to communicate between ISP and headquarter edge router, there is secure PPP secure transmission was configured. If we talk about the routing, then in order to communicate between ISP1 and ISP2, there is eBGP configuration. The external border gateway protocol was configured, and in internal and in inside LAN there is EIGRP protocol was used for the internal IGP routing. Similarly, you can see the external web server, dummy external web server Facebook and YouTube was configured, and this is my remote access remote user PC to show the VPN connectivity where there exists remote VPN connectivity. Now I like to show you by configuring it. CSY2001 my host IP for remote access VPN is 148.148.143.18.44, and my username is admin and password is also admin. Oh sorry, my VPN IP is 158.120.57.97. now I like to connect. Now it got VPN IP. Now I like to show you by accessing the internal FTP server. FTP server is 148.143.18.44. it says trying to connect. Look, Cisco username, password is also Cisco. Now I am accessing FTP. Now I like to show you by accessing the internal web server www.companycompany.com. now this is my internal web server. It says which get reply. Now all the topology are similar, and there is a frame relay, and in between headquarter office and satellite office there is also done GRE tunnel VPN access, so that if frame relay fails, then from the ISP connection there is a communication in between headquarter office and branch satellite office. Now as per the requirement, all configurations are done. All configuration has been done in the networks. There are different sales servers which can be accessed from both satellite office users and satellite office sales users, and as well as this headquarter office users. And there is a radius server which provides authentication, authorization, accounting to all the devices that are currently in use. Now there is a reception A IP phone and reception B IP phone which can communicate. You can see the line number 101, and it has the line number 102. Now hope you like the topology.